Lesson 6, Complex Sentences Part 1. Before you can know what a complex sentence is, you need to know about clauses. A clause is a group of words that contains a subject and its verb. According to this definition, simple sentences is a clause since it has both a subject and a verb. Jerry put the box behind the garage. Jerry's our subject, verb is put. Sue read the announcements. Subject is Sue, verb is read. It will be easy to understand sentences, however, if we think of a clause as a part of a sentence. We will think of a clause as a group of words within a sentence. How about compound sentences? Do they contain clauses? Do they contain two or more groups of words that have a subject and a verb? Look at these examples. Jane hit the ball and it flew into the bleachers. Subject, verb, We found the box, but it was empty. They both have each two subjects and two verbs. The answer is clear. Compound sentences do contain groups of words that have their own subjects and verbs. Now, let's break up these compound sentences into their main parts and see what happens. Jane hit the ball. It flew into the bleachers. We found the box. It was empty. Each of the clauses in the compound sentences can become a sentence by itself. Can you tell the difference between a phrase and a clause? Look at these examples. Phrases. Of apples in the mountains. Clauses. What you are talking about. Who asked you for? A clause has a subject and a verb. A phrase does not. A clause that can stand as a sentence by itself is the main clause. All clauses and compound sentences are main clauses. They can all stand as simple sentences by themselves. That's why they are sometimes called independent clauses. Now we will look at a different kind. If the mail has come, verb, subject. When the door opens, verb, subject. Neither group of words above makes a complete thought, which leaves you wondering, then what? Now, with your finger, cover the first word in each of these sentences. What happens? For example, the mail has come. Each group of words has become a complete sentence. You can see then that the words if and when are important. We say that these words are subordinate the group of words they introduce. They are called subordinating conjunctions. They introduce subordinate clauses. Words used frequently as subordinating conjunctions are shown below. Caution. These words are subordinating words only when they introduce a clause. Some can be used in other ways. Now you're ready to do the exercise on page 7 of this assignment.